Today, we gotta fix the sump submersible pump. This is all bowed out, no good. And then this basin has a pump that shoots the water out to the yard. See how that's squirting out the side there? The pump lives under here. Here's our little float. Once the float gets lifted by enough water, it triggers it. And then it does that. Now we gotta fix it. Alright, get that on there snug. Now I'm just tightening these stone here. It isn't working for me anymore. So I guess that's the thing. I gotta go find a thinner rock. Coming to the beach to find ourselves something that's gonna work. Let's take these, see what happens. I put one there, and I put one there. I think that's it. Yes. Yes.